What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another Motovlogger Monday. Today we have a very special ride happening. We're going to be doing a little Bridge the Gap ride with Bay Area riders. That's the local large big bike, all bike riders, some cruisers, boosters, sports bikes, you know, all that stuff. And then the Tampa Grom squad. And we're going up a little north for a nice little event. It's a birthday party for a young man that's had some medical issues in the past. Here's the news report on it.
First 3 years of Eric's life, he could not walk, he could not talk.
Eric was born with congenital heart defects. He's been in and out of a hospital since birth. He's had 4 open heart surgeries and needs oxygen all the time. Inviting everyone now to celebrate with him next month on February 3rd at Old McMickey's Farm in Odessa.
All right, Bay Area riders here, the real riders. I hope they're ready to go 40 miles an hour. Tops. All right, we got lots of people today, lots of Groms, lots of big bikes, some superheroes, a couple sumos. Sumo squad, what's up? Seeing you soon. Here we go. This is all for you, Eric, so happy birthday. We're coming to spend some time with you. Wish you a happy birthday. Wow. Oh, it's wet out. John, it's wet out. It's wet out, John, careful. Holy shit. Alright, gotta get my patented group shot here. Yep. Alright, there we go. So again, this is a charity ride for a 12-year-old birthday party. Eric, he's had some medical issues his whole life, so news channel put a little invite out there. He put a little invite with his family and said, come on out if you guys want to enjoy a little pizza and cake and birthday stuff. And yeah, here we are. Taking over the streets. I gotta get my camera back in though. Actually, I'm just gonna take pictures. I don't need to do wheelies. Let's document this shit. So Tampa Grom squad meets the Bay Area riders officially for this nice little ride out, one of many. And yeah, just gonna have a nice good day. A nice good day, that's what I said. There we go, couple shots. Let's get a couple snaps. Team Snap, where you at? Alright, let's close this guy down. I feel like we gotta go a little bit quicker. We literally have half of a motorcycle scene behind us. Yep. Yeah, got it. Thank you. This could be dangerous. This is how we die, Alex. That could have been bad. That's a pretty amazing sight. Well, that too. We're gonna go down the only twisty road we have in Florida, Patterson Road. If you guys want to look it up, go, 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 go. Alright, we gotta do at least one little wheelie leading this whole group. So shout out to Carlos and the Bay Area riders. I appreciate you guys letting us lead this. Sorry we went so slow. Can't get the Groms together and I expect a couple wheelies. Full duck. Duck's stuck here. Look at this guy. Going by the golf scene. Oh, too funny. Taking over the Sunday morning golf. Yeah, it's awfully good KOSO. Alright, let's see what we got for a turnout. Alright, check it out. Tampa Grom squad leading the way. And then we got the Bay Area riders. Big bikes, cruisers, sport bikes, sumos. Sumo squad, what's up, man? We got them all out here. We got a bunch of Groms though. We're coming, Eric. Happy birthday, little man. Hey, what's up, Gimp? Where can we park all these things? Miss Cinderella, she does not look happy about walking in those heels right now. I got a sumo now. I can do it. I've ridden it once. Here we are. Yeah, he knows what's up. All right, Tampa Grom Squad Bay Area riders showing our support for little man. If you want to send the bike off the ramp here, you got my permission. Might want to check with mom first. All right, we're gonna unpack, ungear, and head in. So change of plans, we're gonna move to the front so he can see the Groms. It's a good idea. And the big bikes, mostly the Groms. So what is this? Is this Stormtrooper, dark Stormtrooper? Is that a thing? You wanna just go? Oh shit. Can we get from the road? Let me go scope it out real quick. Yeah, thanks. I'm gonna just scope it out before we start driving down sidewalks to a charity event. Yeah, we'll pull him here. All right, we're gonna bring a bunch of bikes, park him here so he can come out and take a look at them. No, 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 this way, this way, this way, this way, this way. You're gonna wave him out. All the way down, just keep it down, there's animals. Thanks. All the way down on the left. Hey, there's a Joker thing. A jester. All right, we're gonna move, get him closer. I only had a Christmas bag. What do you want? I wasn't prepared. I woke up at 9:30. I can't just hand them stuff. I gotta have something to put it in. Christmas bags. Oh, hell yeah, we're going straight up. So this is Old Mickey's Farm. Like, I thought it was Ronald. Oh, okay, Old Mickey's Farm. Hell yeah, parked right up front. Nice. Oh, look at a monkey. Monkey! You don't see too many monkeys around here yet. Hell yeah, Grom Squad got their own parking VIP right next to the horses and the tactical response vehicles. Horses on cops, cops on horses. Whew, all right, we're gonna park. All right, we're here. Let's go check it out. Happy birthday, Eric. Are you Tyler's mom? Tyler's mom? Tyler Miller? Tyler Miller? No? Okay, never mind then. That was awkward. Oh, sorry. Hello, sir. Ghostbusters, R2-D2, Beauty and the Beast. It's a pretty freaking sweet birthday party. Tony Stark. Science. Add it to the stack. Boom. The only Christmas bag. Whoa. No, go tell him to get a real bike. All right, we're gonna head out. So Eric is making his rounds. He saw the bikes, gave us a little wave. We're gonna head out. There's a lot going on here. The weather's looking a little weird, so not sure if it's gonna come down or what is happening, but we're gonna go do some wheelies. But happy birthday, Eric. Hopefully you enjoyed the Grom Squad shirt amongst other things, and you know, sorry about the Christmas bag.